Hello folks. If you saw my last video, thank you. Well, that one I flew the little scale direct drive Eurocopter with the invert switch. It's pretty cool for those who would never take the time to learn the way we did even before gyros to fly inverted. But it does do a great job of flying regularly, so I like it. I also like it because it's scale and it's pretty, and the fact that I can fly both ways. So that keeps my brain going good. Before it was destroyed in that fire, I had a really good helicopter radio. It was my JR Propo Century 7. It was really good at the time. It had an invert switch for those that didn't know how to fly inverted, and a second invert switch that I used to learn the right way. Also a pain in those days was the trim switches. They were sliders that could easily get bumped in transport, etc., so we always had to do a trim setup in the beginning of a flight. Today it's really great to have a computer radios that remember all the trims for each aircraft. Take a look at this Eeeen 180, and it's also direct drive, and I wanted to show you a bit of it up close, and we'll take it out to fly it in my quest to fly all my helicopters at least one more time. I'm 77 now, and you never know. Well, this helicopter is capable of doing just about any maneuver you can think of, but as you know, I like to fly more precise maneuvers that are easily identified. I actually find it harder to hover inverted in place and just doing wild things, making sure not to hit the ground. This little helicopter is so light, it's also a little bit harder to cut grass with it, especially when it's a little breezy. But we're going to try, and so here we go. So again, folks, I really think this little helicopter's a lot of fun. Not as easy to hover as a big one, but nonetheless fun. So thanks a lot for watching, and please subscribe so you won't miss what's coming next. And that's my night Eeeen 180.